How to check if your Wi-Fi is 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. So I'm going to show you two different ways you can use to check this. Now first, open up the Start menu and click on Settings. In the left hand side, click on Network and Internet, and as long as you're connected to a Wi-Fi connection, you'll see Public Network and then you'll see a Wi-Fi band. So you can see mine's connected to 5 gigahertz, but for you it may say 2.4 gigahertz here. So that's the first way you can check. Sometimes you may see 2.4 gigahertz here, where in fact your router does support 5 gigahertz. So a better way to go and check this is to open up an internet browser, and then you need to type in the IP address of your router. Now for me that's 192.168.0.1, and then I can press enter. Now your router sign-in page may be slightly different to this. Now most of the time you can find this information on the back of your router. If you're not sure, you can open up the Start menu, search for CMD, and then click on the command prompt. You can then go and type in ipconfig and press enter, and then you'll see this default gateway and a set of numbers. Now these numbers here are the numbers you need to type in to the address bar. Once you've entered the set of numbers, you'll then need to enter the password to your router. Now once again, this will be found on the back of your router, and this is also different from your Wi-Fi password. Now once you're signed in, you should have an option for connected devices or Wi-Fi settings, and this will show you all of the different devices connected to your router, and it will also show which Wi-Fi band they're currently connected on. You can also click on Advanced Settings, click on Wireless, and then click on Wireless Signal. Now your settings may be slightly different to this depending on the router you're using. Now if you want to use 5 gigahertz, you may need to go and manually enable it in the router settings. So you can see here mine's already enabled like so. And those are two ways to check whether you're using 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.